to another video. I'm so excited today. We are headed to Orlando for Adam LZ open house. I'm sure a majority of you guys do know who he is. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. So it should be pretty interesting to see who's all there. Currently driving. We have about an hour drive till we get there. We're on the road right now. It's currently 8:58 in the morning. We're going a little bit early so that way we can get a good parking spot, because like I said, it's going to be really crazy. Just got here. We're at Catalina's coffee bar. I'm gonna order a sandwich and some coffee. Here goes Adam's Zeroy car. That looks crazy. That's pretty cool. Looks like fun to drive. Right, so we are inside right now. They're getting the stuff ready for the giveaway. Just signed this slip right here. We got a few YouTubers who signed it. It's actually my first time inside of his shop. This is like the store part, and then the actual garage is over there. Looks really nice. Can't wait to see the cars later. So they're doing a giveaway. What time's the giveaway?
Well, they're just doing a raffle. So
okay, so it's a raffle.
They're doing a raffle, and then all the funds for it is being used for the kids in the park.
That's awesome. Really nice. There's a lot of nice stuff in here too. Pretty cool.
I think try it.
We have Jude and Blue here. We have Alejandra. I just got my sandwich from Catalina's Coffee. I'm waiting on my coffee right now. We're about to head over there because they're having a meeting for the YouTubers at 10:30. This is Adam LZ's shop, for those who haven't seen it. He's got all his tires set up. That's so sick. Here goes the shop that's next to Adam LZ's shop. It's like a BMW shop, as y'all can see. Guys, look at this Evo. It's so nice. I'm loving this color. Oh my gosh. It has a little flake to it. I don't even know if you guys can see that. It has like a purple flake. Here goes Adam's race trailer setup. I'm sure this is like the same kind of setup he does whenever he goes to the track. So nice. It's officially 11 o'clock and we have everybody coming now. It's pretty crazy. They all look like like a zombie apocalypse. Everyone's like running in. It's awesome though. I'm so excited for today. It's officially 11 o'clock. We have everyone walking in right now. It's gonna be a great day. Huge shout out to Adam. Everything is so well put together so far, so I'm excited to see how the rest of the day goes. Got the Evo over here, sitting pretty. Last night before I came here, I actually fixed the headlights on the car. We wiped it down. It looks so good. I don't even know if you guys can see this. I'm so happy. We put the Four Bangers trademark stamp on there. Can't wait, guys. I've already been looking at more parts. I'm probably gonna do a carbon fiber lip, change the emblem to carbon fiber. I want to change the intercooler. This was supposed to be my daily, but I think it's time to start shopping for another daily because I'm actually ready for more power. Checked out the cars over here. Now we're gonna walk over to the BC Racing warehouse. They have a ton of cool cars parked there, so we're gonna go over there to check them out. This definitely makes me miss my S2000. This is gorgeous. I've always wanted to wide body mine. If I would have still had my car to this day, it would be looking something similar with this wide body. We've got the Black Widow Supra right here. This is actually his Supra. Really nice.
It's held together with duct tape, zip ties, and super glue. This is the eBay Supra of the planet. Now it's 666.5 horsepower, 489 foot-pounds torque. We have an upgraded T56 Tremec Magnum by Granis Racing, a built rear differential. We're going to pull the bottom end, do a full built bottom end. We're going to switch over to the 85, and we should be making somewhere around 890 to 900.
Oh yeah, that'll be fun. So right now you're on pump gas.
Right now I'm on pump, but it makes 666 at 489 foot-pounds torque, and it's the T56 is where it's at.
Looks nice.
It's a fun car.
Got another beautiful GTR. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous. Hopefully I will add this car to my collection one of these days. Nice car.
Thanks. I like yours too. We built Civics too, so.
Really?
Yeah, we have an EK Coupe all-wheel drive. It's K24.
Oh, nice.
So we just blew the third one up, third stock engine. So we're getting ready to do a belt engine, do like 1,000 horse. So we made 616 on stock K24.
What turbo setup?
It's a 3582 Garrett GTX RS.
Okay.
So, yeah.
That's pretty cool, man. We're now here at Gringos Locos Tacos. This is Adam's favorite taco spot. We're gonna try it out. I'm a huge taco fanatic, so I'm pretty excited to try these tacos. The line is like insane. We've got a line on this side, and then there's another one that literally wraps around the entire building. We just got these tacos. They look amazing. Can't wait to try it. Just took my first bite. I can see why Adam loves these tacos. They're absolutely amazing. This is absolutely gorgeous. Got carbon wheels. Looks so nice. New and old school. Super sick.
V8 Cressida. It's a drift car. He also has pretty rad high horsepower SRT4. Oh! I got a baseball hat, but he doesn't know how to throw a baseball. Taylor Ray played 8 years of softball and missed that throw. DJ on!
How do you feel?
Follow through. There you go.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, that's it for the dunking for now.
He deserved it, right?
Coming out again. Here to go. Get more photos.
So they just did the dunk competition and right now we are inside the warehouse along with everybody. And I think right now we're just gonna be signing the car. This car is so pretty. I'm loving this orange color. Pops so nice. So right now everyone is like in line getting ready to sign his car. As y'all can see, majority of the people have signed it. This is a wrap, so he's gonna actually be changing the wrap on the car, or he said painting it. So that's why he's allowing everyone to sign on it, which is really nice of him. Now in the lounge, pretty much where all of the YouTubers hang out. Just a little escape to get away because it's so crazy out there, so many people. So you can just come in here, hang out, have something to eat. Got Cletus over there.
I don't remember that one.
The dude in blue.
Going under the Jeep with the
Kevin.
There was a couple Ranger crashes.
Got TJ Hunt. Pretty cool. They've got tons of food. Well, they had tons of food. Got a cooler over there with drinks.
I'm pretty good at not crashing.
Pretty much just hangout spot.
It's hard.
My battery.
Yeah, you got no sleep. Here goes the famous Clickbait patrol car. That's pretty sick. I actually would like to go for a ride in this. I'm sure it'd be really fun.
Gonna do it today on 3. 1, 2, 3. I get out on the edge here. More like you need it, brother. Oh, I almost fell in. Better than that. One more. Go like you mean it.
Cold, brother.
Like a Honda guy.
Throws like a Honda guy.
They just finished doing the Easy Dunk competition. They just did a raffle and now they are doing a two-step competition. So I believe Adam's in 0 right now, two-stepping. That car sounds like fun. Officially over. We are here.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm taking pictures.
Pictures.
Just hanging out.
Pictures. Oh, your battery's dead.
No battery. I know. It was a great event. I feel like we had a lot of fun. We're all just pretty much hanging out right now. We are here, closing out. It's not even focusing on you.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. But the day was good.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun, and it's tiring, but
yeah.
that's
This is
what
actually
it's
your
all
third
about.
time.
Third time, yeah.
This is my first time.
Did you like it?
I did. I had no idea what to expect.
Oh yeah, it's shoulder to shoulder chaos the entire time.
Yeah, it was a
but
lot of people.
Definitely like and subscribe to this video because they're really cool people. Just
Thank
wanted
you.
to say that.
Thank you so much. Bye. We'll see you next time. Hopefully, I will be doing a video with him drifting, maybe. Yeah? Alright, so that is a wrap today. I had such a great time. I'm so sad that it's over. So sad. But it was a great time. I want want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and like and subscribe for more. I'm finally back home from Adam's open house. We had such a great time yesterday. It was so cool to have the opportunity to be there, to meet so many different people, to network, and just have all the YouTubers that you see and watch all the time together. Not only that, but it was just so awesome to see all of his cars in person. And it was just such a great event. Everyone came together. The love was there. People were happy. It was genuinely a awesome time. I just wanted to close this video out to thank Adam for having us. Adam, I wish you the best for 2020. I'm so excited for your next open house next year. I know it's just gonna be even crazier than this year. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed my little vlog from his event. Currently it is Tuesday. I tried so hard to get this video out and uploaded before I head to Indianapolis this week for PRI. We actually fly out on Thursday. I'm so excited for PRI. It's gonna be such a great event. Can't wait to network there and see some new and old faces. I wanna thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Next video that I'm gonna be uploading is me working on the Evo. I changed out the radiator fan. I've been slacking on that video, but I'm gonna hopefully get it out for you guys this weekend. I'm also gonna be vlogging at PRI. Gonna try to show you guys some new products that's coming and just walk around and show you guys what the event is about. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.